Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick unboxing to do, or unbagging to do from an item I got from eBay. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. I'm going to just unpackage this item I got from eBay. It's from 12 Volt Store on eBay, Emirates. So, I believe this is probably the the Pioneer wire harness for the stereo. Get this open. Looks like it's a double bag. Oh, no, this is actually not the wire harness. I thought this was the wire harness. Is there anything else in this bag? This bag is empty. There's nothing in it. Nope, this one's empty too. So this is actually the Pioneer microphone. So this is the microphone for the stereo. And I can tell this is a genuine Pioneer. A lot of the knockoffs do not come with the little mount. So that's nice. It comes with a little 3M sticky tape, which I didn't use. I just clamped this to my blinker switch is what I did on my SR5, which I'm going to do the exact same thing on the Limited. I wholeheartedly believe in hands-free when you're driving. So that's awesome. I thought that was the wire harness. That is not the wire harness. This one might be the wire harness. So awesome. So I got the Pioneer microphone so that we can plug it into the stereo. And make hand-free phone calls, as well as I can communicate with the GPS navigation system to reroute. I can talk to it and everything else. Just a quick video, so that's awesome. I'm going to leave it in the bag until I'm ready to install it on the truck. I'm so sorry, guys. I've been sick for the last several weeks, and the light just went on me. Oh, that battery's died. Okay. But, you know, that's all I got for you guys today. I've just been sick. I still need to get the rack and everything installed on the Limited. The Limited literally is just parked. I locked the steering wheel with the seat belt, so that way the steering wheel doesn't turn on me. I need to get the rack under there. I need to get the power steering pump reinstalled and route the lines, get all of that installed, fill the system up, and we should be good to go for that. Then need to do the stereo, and we should be good. You know, just a quick video. I do appreciate you guys sticking around, checking it out. I will try to put a link in the description for this on eBay if you guys are looking for a Pioneer mic for a Mavic 8200 NEX Pioneer navigation stereo system. These mics actually work on a lot of Pioneers. Pioneer didn't change their navigation systems for the mics. So you can use this on probably, I think, like 1,500 different Pioneer navigation stereos. So, appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!